गुड आफ्टरनून माय डियर फ्रेंड स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल गुरुदेव केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में। और मेरा नाम है हेमंत अहिरवार। तो बने रहिए इस वीडियो के लास्ट तक। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो इसको लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। तो जैसा कि पिछले वीडियो में हम विटामिन के कुछ टेस्ट के बारे में और उसके ग्रेड के बारे में पढ़ चुके थे, और इस वीडियो में हम जो बचे हुए टेस्ट हैं उनको कवर अप करेंगे। तो इस वीडियो में हम पेनिट्रेशन टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इमल्सिफाई विटामिन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फ्लोटिंग टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और भी जो डिफरेंट टेस्ट हैं उनके बारे में हम कवर अप करेंगे। और एक और लास्ट में हम कवर अप करेंगे हाउ टू क्वांटिटी of the vitamin required to construct a road. So that will also be I will told you in this videos. So today's I want to be suggestion that what should I have to be started in the next videos, because the petroleum industry is approximately left. So I want to be suggestion. I am giving you some choices of the subjects, so you have to be choice and comment in the comment box. So first that I want to give you subjects: the process industrial, calculation, second is mass transfer, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, और petrochemical technology. So these are the some subjects that I want to be a suggestion of yours. What should I have to be started in the next video. So if you choose one subject, then I will start on this topic the next video. So please choose the one and write in the comment box. So if the majority of the any subject, that will I start that subject. So let's start our today's videos. That first is penetration test. Now second is floating test. Third is emulsified test. Fourth is flash point test. So these are the some tests that will cover today's video, and also we will also cover how to calculate the quantity of bitumen to construct a road. So how to calculate the quantity of the bitumen to construct a road or making the road. So this topics we will cover in the today's video. So let's we start from this topic, that how to calculate the quantity or the mass which is required to construct a road. So suppose it's a road. So its depth, or we can say height, is 15 centimeter and width is 8 meter and its length is 2 kilometer. So how will you calculate the quantity? Here quantity means mass. How much mass or the quantity of the bitumen is required to construct a road. So mass which is we use unit, that is kg, ton, pound or etc. So we have to calculate the mass. So first we know that how we'll calculate the mass of the bitumen. So we will using the density is the ratio of the mass to the ratio of the volume. So first we will calculate the volume of the of this area, of this place or area. So volume, basically we know that length into breadth into height, and length into breadth is basically area. So area into height. So first we will be convert this unit in a same unit, or we can say in meter. So this is already in meter, so it will be convert into meter. So it will 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it will be 0.15 meter. So it will be the height, and it's also already meter, then it will convert into meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So it will be 2000 meter. So the unit becomes same, 2000 meter, 8 meter and 0.15 meter. So put this value in the formula. So it would be 200 to 2000, 8 and 0.15. So you calculate the volume, that will come in meter cube. So this volume we assume V, meter cube. So this value you put here, and the density. So density of the bitumen is 2, or asphalt 2330 kg per meter cube. So the mass, so the required mass is equal to density into volume. So you may calculate like this, which how much quantity will require to calculate the mass of the bitumen. So this was the brief knowledge about the calculation of the mass of the bitumen, which is used to construct a road. So now we will discuss about our test. So first we will be cover the penetration test. Penetration test is also called PEN. So what is the purpose of the penetration test? The purpose of the penetration test is it indicates the consistency of the bitumen, or the load capacity of the any material that are be used to or we can say it how much load it can be beared. So this test is used or to indicate the consistency of the bitumen. So first now we will discuss about the apparatus. So the apparatus is the penetrometer. So penetrometer is used to identify the penetration of the bitumen. So in this apparatus there is a dial which is divided to 0 to 300 mm, like 0, 100, 0, 10, 100 to 300. So it is connected with a rod and it contains a push button, and this push button contains a needle. So this needle is made up of the steel, hard steel. So basically it contains the dial, and that is connected with the rod, and it is joined with the push button, or it connected with the, and this push button contains a needle which is made up of the hard steel. And now we take a small brass or brass cup that contains, so first before we pouring the bitumen in this cup, so first we will be heat up at 80 to 100 degrees Celsius of a bitumen. Then after we pour in this cup, and this cup is chilled or maintain the temperature at 25 degree Celsius. So after 1 or 2 hours its temperature becomes the 25 degree Celsius. So this will be put off from this bath, that is a chiller, or you can say it is a bath, and its temperature becomes 25 degrees Celsius. And after the put off from this bath, then we put on the this equipments, and it put at the surface of the equipment, and after sometimes it's set up or it is connected with a device that is set, that you can say timer. So that is a timer device which takes the 5 second at 20 mm. So 20 mm, or we can say the 10 mm at the rate of 10 mm to 5 second. So after the 5 second, this put button automatically push in this bitumen. So we check the penetration power by push it. So again and again we check. So like this, it is a cup. First our needle is pushed in this position. So the next test we will put our cup is here, and after some times in the third test we will put our cup in this position. So the distance between the position should be 10 mm. So here should also be 10 mm, and here should also be 10 mm. So we will be calculate the 2, 3, 4 or 5 values and calculate the average of this value. So we calculate, so we find the average value of the penetration test. So this was the brief knowledge about the penetration test, which is used to indicate the consistency or bearing load of the bitumen and checked by the penetrometer, and which is, it is a manual type, and also be the automation devices to check the bitumen penetration test. And it contains the dial that connected with the push button, and this dial should be range 0 to 300 mm, and it connected with the timer machine that will automatically push it in a bitumen, or it contains the needle, and before the push we should have to be clean this needle by using the benzene. So this was the brief knowledge about the penetration test. So now we will be discuss about the ductility. So basically ductility means, it is also known as in Hindi tanyata. It means stretching. Stretching, or we can say elastic. So that is depends on the bitumen composition, that how it will stretch, or it is elastic. So ductility shows the elasticity or the stretchiness in the bitumen. So it is also be used to check. It is also be used to check the test by using a apparatus. So we take a sample in. So that is first mode, and that is the second mode. So bitumen, same as the penetration, bitumen heated at 80 degrees Celsius temperature and filled in this molding. In this mold, and it is put it in the bath at 25 degree Celsius. So after the 25 degree Celsius, it can be put off from this bath, and it stretch, and it stretch by a device, right? So it becomes before the stretching, its structure like this, and after the stretching, its structure will be like this. So that is a stretching of the bitumen. So it shows the ductility of the bitumen by using a device, and this is made up of the brass. So, or this maybe also be made up of the brass. So this was the, and ductility also be shows the stretching or the elasticity of the bitumen. So this was the brief knowledge about the penetration and ductility, and how to construct a road of the bitumen, bitumen and the required quantity of the bitumen to making the road. So if you like my video, then subscribe and share with your friends, and thanks for watching this video.